Yeah, bro. Good morning again. So this not the work. This not the work. So painting done. Plumber done. Electrician also done. Then only the work wey dey inside this place now. Now the carpentry side. So as you see, now the enter na the place. Take a look. So this na the place. Painter done. Carpenter na don left. So as you see, now must see the carpentry side, the kitchen. So now the kitchen this. So all thing there. This na the fillet. Yeah. So as you see, this na the cabinet space. The cabinet space. This na the cabinet space. So all this now the workpiece over there right now. As you see, all the get forget doors there. So the carpentry side, the need for urge there. So as you see, all the rest, we don't go far on that. Yeah. So this now the painting. All thing done there. The cleaning also they go on. So as you see, the cleaning also they on. As you see, all this bathroom entrance they shine. So take a look. This now the room. This come and stop. Instead don't clean already. So you see, don't paint already. This is the bathroom. Also don't clean. And bathroom this. You can go now do to the master bedroom. All the work over there now at Carpentry. Yeah. All the rest, believe say, only the level best. This is not the master bedroom. Also don't clean. Take a look. Everything about the master bedroom don't clean. Toilet now, wardrobe. All until don't clean. And the frame also carpentry side. All this don't clean. Take a look. All this don't clean. So only the carpenter I get work here. So we need for urger and can do work and make the place free. So now the work this painter don't do in level best. Electrician don't do in level best. Plumbing don't do in level best. The worker now for do something like the carpenter. So I need for call and can do something. So I can go out cleaning the can small from the back. I carry the can so small. So now the work is